Okay, first of all, what we need to do is we need to extend the leg, right? We need to extend the leg so that to make our machine higher, so that in order for us to put our tumbler onto the RA2 Pro, all right? So it's extremely important to extend your legs on all fours, all right, on all your fours, right? So the next step, what we're going to do will be, I will actually show you how to install this onto the back of the board. Okay, this is the board down here. I will actually show you how to actually install this and removing some parts out here. Okay, so we have to remove this cable from the motherboard, right? So this is the only cable. This is actually to control the y-axis. So how actually we unplug this cable is, you can unplug this, okay, from our RA2 Pro. This is the cable, all right, this is the cable. Okay, what we need to do is we need to install the cable onto the board itself. Okay, so this is what happened, is being installed. Okay, and right now the y-axis is being disabled. Now it's actually controlling the board. It will control the rollers of this RA2 Pro. Okay, so this is the colored tumbler that I will actually use. Okay, before we actually put onto the roller, there is one important step that you really need to do is you are basically required to put some weight into the tumbler, so that to add some weight, so that it can be able to rotate, right? Because if it's light, I'm afraid that it will actually skip. So it will be better for you to put some weight down here. You can put I'm going to put some water in here, so maybe half filled, all right? And I will come back after I put in some water. This time around, okay, there are one more step that you're required to do. We're going to put a tape where are the starting point and the stop point, all right? So I'm going to put a painter's tape, or you can put in any tape. Okay, so maybe I will just put it on here. Okay, so this may be the start and end point. Okay, so after this, okay, do make sure, all right, just now if you remember my image, actually I rotate into vertical. So what happens was, because my image has been rotated into vertical form, so it will burn the image following whatever because since I put my RA2 Pro in this position, it will actually, the laser module will actually burn in this way, all right? So it will keep on burning in this way. Okay, so that is the reason why I do not actually use my photo horizontally. If I put in horizontally, it will actually, the image will burn. It's basically in the wrong way, all right? So okay, I will come back and I will show you how to focus the laser module onto the tumbler, right? Okay, now I will show you how to actually focus the laser module onto the tumbler. First of all, what we need to do is maybe actually remove the air assist, because engraving, I do not actually use any air assist while engraving, so it's easier for us to actually take a look, right? Okay, so I will drop down the kickstand. Okay, unlock the screw on the left hand side. Okay, so make sure the kickstand actually in contact, okay, in contact with the tumbler. Okay, if you have noticed, all right, so this is in contact. Okay, so I will lock it. Okay, pull back the, okay, so that's confirmation it's in contact. Okay, so I will position my laser onto the spot where just now I did the focus. All right, so I'll go into the XCS and I'll do the framing and they'll come back. Okay, right now what am I doing after I putting the tape, okay, and I focus it. So right now the laser spot has been turned on, and I will actually put it at the position of where the masking tape is going to be. So I will run a framing and see whether does it really overlap or not. So this is the spot that I'm going to start, the area of the spot. Okay, I'm going to do the framing. Okay, you can see. Alright, so we are almost perfect. So there might be a slight adjustment that I need to do another framing. Okay, so it's almost perfect. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do will be I'm going to hit the start on XCS, and I'm going to start engraving onto this tumbler. Okay, it's completed. I will move away the laser module and we actually take a look at this tumbler. Alright, so practically they are all black and nothing much you can be able to see. Alright, so I'm going to go into the sink and we will use the magic eraser to go under the running water, and you can be able to see the whole image will pops up. Alright, and before that I need to remove the water inside the tumbler as well, because just now we actually use it as a weight so that it can be able to rotate. Okay, we will remove the printer tape, and I will remove the water from the inside, and what we'll do is we will use the magic eraser, we wet it. Okay, and from using the magic eraser we basically actually clean under the running water. Okay, the shine actually comes through. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, get that out. Okay.